The Zacks Rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks Rank buys.
There are a couple of companies in the semiconductor space that apparently have a lot of momentum built up in them. And our momentum strategist, Dave Bartosiak, is going to fill us in on just what that's all about. And we'll start out with a company called Cirrus Logic. Now, they've been around for a while.
Yeah, they have. And, you know, recently the stock's kind of been on fire here. They do signal processing, so digital and analog signal processing equipment that they use. Been around a while. They have over 2,100 patents issued and pending, and about 1,100 products that they make off of those patents. So they've been around a while, but that's good because part of the problem with some of these semiconductor stocks is you go, okay, well, are they going to be around, you know, in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? Of course, I don't care so much about that because I'm the momentum guy, so I really only want them to be around for a few months. But still, just something to keep in the back of your head. So they are also a Zacks Rank #1 strong buy. And just like the other stock that we're going to look at today, they popped up on my momentum screen that I run. So they've been outperforming the market. They're within a pretty close to their 52-week high. They've had earnings estimate revisions recently, so there's a lot of positive momentum going on, as well as a recent earnings surprise. So these guys popped up, and if you take a look at the chart for them, they really have been on fire since December, really. The stock was all the way down at about 16 bucks a share in December, and we're over $28 now. So that's a pretty good run, you know, coming in here in the last couple of months. But that's what I like to see, and recently we've been rewarded for kind of buying high and selling higher versus trying to look for bargains or turnaround stories. This has kind of been the way to go. Yeah. So I'm not too shy about, you know, jumping headfirst into a stock like this. All
right, another company that you've identified is Rudolph Tech. A little bit more obscure company or no?
Well, they make the red nose.
No. Couldn't resist that one.
Yeah, right. I had to the whole time. I was thinking about it blinking.
Right.
No, they're also they do defect inspection for the semiconductor manufacturers.
All right.
So they're not actually making the chip, you know, that's going into your phone, but they're going to make the, you know, components of that assembly line in order to make sure that you know, quality control is where it needs to be. So those big semiconductor companies are their clients and they use their products. So this is one that was a little bit off of the radar. It's a much smaller stock than I usually talk about. I think it's like $400 million market cap or something like that. So a relatively small company. But their current quarter and next quarter consensus, Zacks Consensus, has doubled. Both of them over the last few months. And I think even next year's numbers went from somewhere like 33 cents up to 59 cents. So the analysts are very bullish on this. And as a result, if you take a look at the stock chart, you can see that traders are becoming increasingly bullish also. So this one was down at 8 bucks on October 15th when the market was kind of bottoming out. And since then, we've rallied all the way up to about 12.46, 12.50 where we are today. So again, it's been clipping off huge runs, big percentage gains day in and day out. But I think that this market is rewarding you for buying high and selling higher again. So this is where the momentum is. So this is what I'm looking at.
All right. Own either?
Neither.
All right. Check out other stock commentary articles, stock picking strategies on our website, Zacks.com. Some others even written by Dave himself here. And you can link to them all off the homepage once you get over to Zacks.com. In the meantime, with Dave, I'm Terry Ruffalo.